Today we're going to install the trailing arm bushings into the trailing arm. We've already got this cleaned up, ready to go, painted, obviously. The part number for the 63 to 82 trailing arm bushing and bolt kit is a 1470K. We'll start by dumping the parts out, organizing. Parts of the 1470K that we're going to use are the bushings, the sleeves. These need to be crimped over and held in place after they're crushed in there. This is the bolt that holds the trailing arm into the pocket of the frame. That comes along with it. We won't be using those today, but they are there. I'm going to assemble these in here like this. And this. I like to start them with the mallet. Finish it off in the press. So let's just to get them started. So, next step, putting this in the press fixture so we can compress these. Turn that so you can see a little bit. This might be a little loud. Perfect. Put the tool in that holds it in place. Back it off. Verify that it's in there. Looks good, looks good. Bring this back. Tool out. The next step is to put in the crush washer to finish the job. Easier said than done. This will actually stake that washer over and hold it in position. Looks good. Take this out. So now we're ready to crush this washer onto the sleeve with this tool. And that'll hold the whole assembly together, just like from the factory. There you go. Remove the staking tool. And we have to collapse this one more time to get the retaining wrench out. And all right, that's it. Just like they were from the factory, and not everybody has a 10-ton press or the fixture to put these in, so if you can't do it, send them to me. We will install them for you.